Yo, hello, what's up, everybody? Right now, we're about to check out NCT Dream ISTJ. Oh, what is ISTJ? Well, these are like personality traits, right? ISTJ is someone with the introvert, observant thinking, and judging personality traits. Nah, I know of these. I just don't. I'm not like fully. I'm not an expert in these. I know I'm a INFP. Introverted, intuitive feeling, perspective, personality traits. I'm a mediator, I guess. I haven't taken it in a while. It's been a minute. If you know yours, tell me in the comments down below. But without further ado, let's check out NCT Dream ISTJ MV. Let's get it. Let's go. They've been killing the game, by the way. Welcome. Ew. Whoa. What in the twisted metal? What did I say? Where am I? Where are you taking me? Oh, MBTI world. Oh, we going on the magic school bus ambulance. Whoa. Introvert, oh, it's like a hospital, basically. Yeah. Ooh. Interesting. Hey, yo. ISTJ. Let's get it done. Woo. Okay. They going through with it. Where am I? Ooh, the way they say glamorous while they're just like gliding, like their legs right here in front. Bah. What we getting down with? Ooh, okay, get down with it. Just leave the crowd. What juice? Breaking. Thank you. Like soup. Just complimented me without even realizing complimented me. You called me hot, like hot soup. I love soup. Put the comments down below. Do you like soup? What's that again? Too far. Wait, what?
Hey kid, hey.
Are you okay?
Do I look okay?
Do you need help?
Stop talking, just help.
Oh, they talking to somebody. Talking to the nurse. Oh, how you can just come into... Oh, their voices are like honey. Oh, them eyes. You got them... Ew, that has to be a fake person. Is that a fake person? Or is that just someone that's actually... Maybe they are real. I shouldn't be judging. Ooh. God, Mark, looking back at it, real talk. It is the way I am glamorous, thank you. And dangerous, not ready. Woo! They broke that down. Hold on. Them legs be legging. That's for sure. Oh, the hair, the whole 3 stars on the eyebrow. I will make you proud. Hey, Trey. Yes, take me on a ride. Ooh, I really like to change up. Oh, give me chills right now. Ooh, each scene is so interesting too. Good job on like production. Hey, that's me. INFP. Damn, hold up. They got that bokeh effect, the blur effect. Look at this. Got into ooh. Oh my god. Look, damn, they really focused on your face. That's a beautiful thing. SM always loves doing that. Like, they slow it down, and I always enjoyed each time. Oh, you better get them. Ooh, the little moonwalk right there. Get down. Get it. Oh, did they just like Back to the Future kind of ish? They did. Oh, where are they going this time? Oh, they messing with the multi-universe. Hey, yo, say hi to Miles. Say hi to Spider-Man. Dang! And the third album was out too. Been listening to Eugene, so you already know. Ooh, definitely gonna have to take a listen to this. Ooh, with broken melodies too. So good. Yogurt shake. What that sound like?
Both going crazy.
After I ate some yogurt too, you already know, you in my mind.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.